Contents. Part 1. Technology. Full papers. 1. The Evolution of Chatbots in Tourism, a Systematic Literature Review. Davide Calvaresi, Ahmed Ibrahim, Jean-Paul Calbimonte, Roland Schegg, Emmanuel Franier, and Michael Schumacher. 2. Blockchain Technology's Potential for Sustainable Tourism. Anessa Tyan, Mariema Ayeg, and Antonio Guevara Plaza. 3. In-room voice-based AI digital assistants transforming on-site hotel services and guests' experiences. Dimitrios Bahalis and Yulia Moldavska. 4. Next POI recommendations matching users' visit behavior. David Massimo and Francesco Ricci. 5. Assessing online sustainability communication of Italian cultural destinations, a web content mining approach. Valentina Marchi, Valentina Apicerni, and Alessandra Marasco. 6. Technostress among hotel employees, a longitudinal study of social media as digital service encounters. Karen Hogberg. 7. How artificial intelligence will change the future of tourism industry, the practice in China. Yanzheng Tuo, Lanyu Ning, and Iyuan Zhu. 8. Co-creating personalized experiences in the context of the personalization privacy paradox. Katerina Volchek, Joanne Yu, Barbara Neuhofer, Roman Egger, and Mattia Reynaldi. 9. A platform for difficulty assessment and recommendation of hiking trails. Jean-Paul Calbimonte, Simon Martin, Davide Calvaresi, and Alexander Cotting. Short papers. 10. A study on the factors affect the technology satisfaction on AI-based self-service technology service failure in hotel. Lu Qian Ting, He Chung Chung, and Namho Chung. 11. The role of perceived technology and consumers' personality traits for trust transfer in Airbnb. Siranjoga, Juyan Ham, and Namho Chung. Part 2. Innovation. Full papers. 12. Finding meaning through travel journaling. A strength-based approach. C.K. Bruce Wan, C's J.P.M. de Bont, Paul Heckert, and Kenny K.N. Chow. 13. Loyalty programs and direct website performance, an empirical analysis of global hotel brands. Peter O'Connor. 14. Effect of personal innovativeness on technology adoption in hospitality and tourism, meta-analysis. Olena Sifchi, Katerina Berezina, and Minsu Kong. 15. An ethnographic study of consumer value in slow travel. Vera Rikonen, Juho Pesonen, and Johanna Heinonen. 16. Gen Z and Esports. Digitizing the live event brand. Rebecca De Freitas. Short papers. 17. Co-working and co-living. The attraction for digital nomad tourists. Ekaterina Chediva. 18. Mobile payments, Chinese tourists, and host residents. Are destination stakeholders prepared to facilitate mobile payments? Tanya Maria Tanget and Rob Law. 19. Airbnb hosts perceptions on Airbnb customer social responsibility and organizational justice in Airbnb 2.0. Xiao Rui Tai, Hyune Lee, and Namho Chung. 20. Robo-tipping. Are customers game? Lisa Kane and Katerina Berezina. Part 3. Social media and user-generated content. Full papers. 21. Tourist experiences at overcrowded attractions, a text analytics approach. Joanne Yu and Roman Egger. 22. The implicit and explicit motivations of tourist behavior in sharing travel photographs on Instagram. A path and cluster analysis. Jennifer Daxbach, Maria Laura Dulbecco, Cynthia Kersite, Tommy Christopher Nilsson, Andrada Diana Russ, Joanne Yu, and Roman Egger. 23. Dreaming about travel. A Pinterest ethnography. Ulrich Gretzel. 24. Cultural traits in the consumption of luxury hotel services. David DeCunto and Serena Volo. Short papers. 25. Exploring the impact of heuristic attributes of electronic word of mouth on accommodation sharing platforms. Yuan Wang, Lin Li, and Sung Byung-yang. 26. How reliable is social media data? Validation of TripAdvisor tourism visitations using independent data sources. Shihan Ma and Andrei Kirilenko. 27. Do tourists from different countries interpret travel experience with the same feeling? Sentiment analysis of TripAdvisor reviews. Luyu Wang and Andrei P. Kirilenko. 28. The impact of crisis characteristics and media coverage on the public's attitude toward tourism organization expressed on Sina Weibo. Lawan Su and Svetlana Stepchenkova. 29. Hotford. A flexible hotel fake review detection system. Michael Moring, Barbara Keller, Rainer Schmidt, Matthias Gutmann, and Scott Dacko. 30. Contextual effects of online review recency. 3 research propositions. Senghun Shin and Zheng Shang. 31. Information characteristics on Instagram and viewer behavior. Yoonmi Kim, Jae Eun, Francesca Park, Jin Young Kim, and Cholmo Koo. 32. Meme tourism. A conceptual framework. Yerin Waihe, Jaehyun Gu, and Cholmo Koo. Part 4. Destinations. Full papers. 33. Approach to evaluating the effect of an inter-organizational information system on performance. The case of a destination management organization. Marie-Claire Luye, Francois Badar, and Bertrand Dongmo Temgoa. 34. The digitized ecosystem of tourism in Europe. Current trends and implications. Norman Schaefer, Martin Engert, Guido Sommer, Jasmine Shokoi, and Helmut Krickmar. 35. Measuring the value of social media marketing from a destination marketing organization perspective. Jana Kumpu, Juho Pesonen, and Johanna Heinonen. 36. Destination Imagery Diagnosis Model. The Case of Switzerland. Meng Mei Chen, Laura Zizka, Effie Ruohang Zhang, and Justine Gentinetta. 37. Tourism Management in Japan and Switzerland. Is Japan leapfrogging traditional DMO's models? A Research Agenda. Miriam Scaglione, Yasuo Ohe, and Colin Johnson. 38. Touristic Consumption as Site-Sharing. Unpacking the Smart Tourism Paradigm from an Internet Studies Perspective. Michelangelo Magasic. Short Papers. 39. The Pathway from Smartness to Sustainability. Exploring the Transmission Mechanisms. Jose F. Perls Ribes and Josep A. Ivers Beidel. 40. Discovering Cultural Differences Through Information Flow of National DMO's Websites. Hyjin Park and Svetlana Stepchenkova. 41. A Conceptual Framework of Destination Sustainability in Sharing Economy. Weiying Zhang, Shi Yu Liang, and Billy Bai. 42. Smart Tourism Cities Competitiveness Index. A Conceptual Model. Namho Chung, Hyune Lee, Juyan Ham, and Cholmo Koo. Part 5. COVID-19. Full papers. 43. Hear no virus, see no virus, speak no virus. Swiss hotels' online communication regarding coronavirus. Laura Zizka, Meng Mei Chen, Effie Zhang, and Amandine Favre. 44. Virtual reality as a travel substitution tool during COVID-19. Daniel Sarkady, Larissa Neuberger, and Roman Egger. 45. COVID-19 and Instagram. Digital Service Innovation in Top Restaurants. Arnie Twomey, Ease Tussiadaya, and Mark Ashton. 46. The Sustainability of Using Domestic Tourism as a Post-COVID-19 Recovery Strategy in a Distressed Destination. Arashir Woyo. 47. Nothing Can Stop Me. Perceived Risk and Travel Intention Amid the COVID-19 Pandemic. A Comparative Study of Wuhan and Sapporo. Siru Lee and Naoya Ito. 48. Factors Influencing Tourists' Intention to Use COVID-19 Contact Tracing App. Dandasan Yukpabi, Sunday Alali, and Heiki Kayalodo. 49. Destination Management in Times of Crisis. Potentials of Open Innovation Approach in the Context of COVID-19? Marcus Pillmeyer, Nikolai Scherl, and Katerina Volchek. 50. Old and New Media Discourses on Chinese Outbound Tourism to Switzerland Before and During the COVID-19 Outbreak. An Exploratory Study. Lee Hosenzal and Lorenzo Cantoni. Short papers. 51. A model to predict users' intentions to adopt contact tracing apps for prevention from COVID-19. Imani Ezwa and Jacques Bulchand-Gidimel. 52. A comparison of hotel guest experience before and during pandemic. Evidence from online reviews. Irene Cheng Chu Chan, Jing Ma, Huihui Yi, and Rob Law. 53. How COVID-19 impacts Chinese travelers' mobility decision-making processes. A Bayesian network model. Zhenyi Wang, Shuiying Zhai, and Chuju Luo. 54. Examining post-COVID-19 tourist concerns using sentiment analysis and topic modeling. Srijith Balasubramanian, Supriya Kaithari, Krishnadas Nanath, Soni Srijith, and Cody Morris Paris. 55. Enhancing the visitor experience in the time of COVID-19. The use of AI robotics in Pembrokeshire Coastal Pathway. Katarzyna Miner, Emmett McLaughlin, and Vicky Richards. Author Index.